Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Chimmy. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the inside of the hoodie. Let's start with a curve up and bring it down. Then from both ends, let's curve it down and in, meeting at the bottom. Now top in and let's draw the face. In the center, let's draw a curve up for the nose and a curve across at the bottom. And color it in black. Now on top, let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And let's color these in black as well. Now underneath, let's draw a curve for the mouth. And underneath on the right, let's draw a curve underneath for the tongue. And then add a line inside. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's finish drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a large curve all the way up and back down on the right. Now from the bottom, let's curve it out for the cheeks and bring it down to the center. Now on the sides, let's add the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And the same on the right side. And now let's color both of these in black. Now that we're done the head, let's hop down and let's draw the body. On the left, let's leave a gap and let's draw a small curve, and the same on the other side. Then from the bottom, let's curve it out and down. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve down on the sides for the arms. And then curve it back in underneath. And then inside, let's draw a curve at the ends. Now let's hop back to the center and let's draw a V shape. And then a line down for the legs. Now to add the feet, let's hop out to the sides and let's draw a curve out and back into the center. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the drawstrings to the hoodie. Underneath the head on the left, we'll start with 2 lines down and 2 longer ones next to it on the right. Now at the bottom of each one, let's draw a circle. And that's it for Chimmy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!